Hey guys, my name is Kara. Thank you for clicking this video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to file your LLC and your EIN number in the state of Montana. And so to get started, click the link in the description below. This is basically going to be like a walkthrough tutorial. So I'm going to show you on my computer screen at the same time you're doing it on yours, and that way you can follow along. And by the end of this video, in about 5 minutes, you will have your LLC filed. So it's going to be really fast and really easy if you just follow along. So again, click that link in the description below or in the pinned comment, and let's just get right into it. So it's going to take you to the Taylor Brands website, and we're going to start by clicking Montana. Okay, and then you can type in your business name to make sure it's available. So for me, I do eyelash extensions, so I'm just going to type in my business name. Okay. And what stage are you currently in? So for me, I'm already in business, but just click wherever you're currently at. And then it's going to ask what industry you're in. So you may fall into a couple different categories, but as you start to type in a letter, you can see how many options come up just for one letter, and they get really specific. So I'm going to start to type in eyelashes, and there it is. And what are you selling? So you're either selling a physical good or a service. For me, I'm providing a service, but if you sell a physical good, you can click that, or if you sell both, you can click both of those as well. If you sell something that's not a good or service, you can type it in down here, but I can't even think of anything that isn't one of those two, so more than likely you're going to be these two options up here. And are you planning to hire employees? Now, let's say you don't have employees, you file your LLC, and then you decide you do want to hire employees. That's totally fine. It's not going to affect your filing at all, and you won't have to like change your filing later on or anything like that. Okay, so now you're going to type in your zip code, and then where is it that you're serving your customers? So you're either selling online at a shop or store, or you're on the go. So like I mentioned, I'm mobile, I'm on the go. But let's say I had an online shop and I'm selling something there too. I can select this option, and you can select all three if you happen to have all three. So it's just asking here what we've done already. We can just skip this part. And you're going to click you discovered Taylor Brands through YouTube through this video. And this is just something cool that Taylor Brands offers. They're giving you a free 12-week coaching program. Personally, I love this. I feel like if I can learn something new, maybe make some more money after learning, why not, right? But if you don't want the course, you can always click no thanks. Either way, it's free, so it's up to you. And now you're just going to type in your personal information. Okay, and then you can create a password. Okay, and this is asking if you like Taylor Brands to help you get your EIN number, or if you want to get it on your own. So your EIN number is basically like the social security number of your business. So you're going to need it when you file your taxes, and you're going to need it if you open a business credit card or a business bank account. So at some point down the line, you more than likely will need to get an EIN number. Now, if you want to do it on your own and save the $99, you can do it through the IRS website, but you know, the IRS, they only work during the weekdays. You can't do it on the weekends online. And then the IRS website is not super easy to navigate, in my opinion. So I just feel like it's like one more thing to worry about. And especially if you've never filed it before, it's kind of a hassle. And I don't know, for me, $99 to have Taylor Brands do it for me, and I really don't have to do anything, is totally worth the stress and adding that extra thing to my to-do list. So I'm going to have them help me with my EIN. And as far as being a registered agent, now if you live in Montana or you're just starting your business, you are more than likely your own registered agent. Now, if you don't live in the state, but you're filing an LLC in Montana, or your accountant has told you otherwise, then you may need to appoint someone different. And if you're not too sure, Taylor Brands can help you figure it out for $199. But like I mentioned, if you're just starting and you live in the state, you are more than likely your own registered agent. So you can just click this option here. Are you sure? Yes. And every single year you need to renew your LLC. So what happens if you forget? You'll have to refile it, and it costs more money, it's more time, and it's just a mess. So you really want to avoid doing that. You'll have to pay late fees. So if you think you can remember to handle your compliance on your own, select this second option here. If you want Taylor Brands to renew it for you every year, it costs $1.99. So it's a good option to have if you're busy and you don't want to forget. For me, I'm going to try to save some money, so I will be handling the compliance. And I'm just going to click no on the branding toolkit. Okay, and do you want your LLC expedited to you in 2 days? I feel like it's worth it. It's only $49 and they'll get it to me in 2 days. It's super fast and that way I can get started with everything I wanted to do with my business. If you do have some time to wait and you're in no rush, they could still get it to you in 2 weeks, which is still pretty quick. But I just feel like it's worth the $49 to get it in 2 days. And you guys, you don't need to worry about an operating agreement. So just click this here. Would you like a formation kit? I'm going to click no. And this is just a great option. Okay, so let's say you have a system set up and it's just not as organized as you'd like, or maybe you're just starting your business and you don't really have a system set up yet to stay organized and know all of your finances, bookkeeping, and invoices. Taylor Brands can get you on track with all of that so that you know exactly where every single cent is going, which, is the reason we have businesses, right? So we can make the most money as possible on our own and we know we can track everything. So if you're really planning to scale your business, Taylor Brands can do that for you and help you get everything organized. I don't know the cost at the end, but they give you a free trial so you can check it out, see if you like it. For me, I have a really small business, so for now, I'll just be managing my own books and invoices. And yes, we would like to get notified about our LLC. Okay, and you can see you have a few different options here for plans, so check these out. But just for the purpose of this video today, for filing an LLC and EIN, we really don't need to pay anything extra, so we can just select this fee right here, the light plan. All right, so now it's showing you what you're going to pay for today. So the LLC, the state filing fee in Montana is $35, which, to be honest, you guys are lucky in Montana because this is one of the lowest filing fees for an LLC, which is cool. So anytime you open, let's say you open 5 more businesses this year in Montana, you'll have to pay $35 for each of those LLCs. Included is the free business coaching program, and then we're paying $49 for that 2-day expedited filing. Let's say, this part here, it's not highlighted, so don't have to pay for that. And then $99 for your EIN will be charged after your LLC is filed. So today you're just going to pay this top part here. After the LLC is filed, then they'll charge you for the EIN. So for your total today. Okay, so then after you fill this part out, fill out your credit card information, then it's going to ask you some basic info like name and address and things like that. But that's it, you guys. You have just filed your LLC and your EIN number in Montana. You can see that was so fast and easy. But if you have any questions about anything maybe I didn't cover, feel free to comment below. I'm more than happy to answer, and I would love to talk to you guys about any concerns that you have. But I wish you the best of luck in your business, and I'll see you guys in the next one.